coastal flood advisory. Afternoon. What? Up to 1 foot of inundation above ground level.
Wow, we got a coastal flood advisory.
Tidal waterways.
And,
Where? Cumberland.
guess I'm going to update this one to 11.
When? Until 2 p.m. this afternoon. Impacts. At this level, flooding begins on the most vulnerable roads in coastal communities and along the tidal waterways. Some partial or full road closures are possible. Additional details. Additional minor flooding is possible at the time of high tide during Monday and again on Tuesday. If travel is required, allow extra time and some roads may be closed. Do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth. Take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property. The following is a coastal flood advisory from the National Weather Service for the following counties: Kent, Delaware. Coastal flood advisory remains in effect until 2 p.m. this afternoon.
Yeah, missed ones don't
inundation
count.
above ground level expected in low-lying areas near shore.
Now my EAS capture is 11.
Kent, England, Sussex, and Delaware beaches. When? Until 2 p.m. this afternoon.
Yep,
Impact.
the rear 120 antenna got
Begins on the
fixed.
most vulnerable roads in coastal and bayside communities and along inland tidal waterways. Some partial or full road
But I'm
closures are
still
possible.
getting a new WR120 ED.
Along the back bays in Sussex County beyond high tide this afternoon and evening.
Yep, here's my new
Additional minor flooding
radio.
is possible at the time of high tide during the day Monday and
12262.
again on Tuesday. If travel is required, allow extra
Came
time
on
and some roads
Friday.
may be closed. Do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth. Take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property.
Okay, I feel like
The
I'm gonna
following is a
end
coastal
this.
flood advisory from the National Weather